for a golf course clubhouse. I want to create a new textile and apply it to the notes. The Textile Tool is located in the lower annotation panel on the Home tab. I select the Textile Tool. I select New. I call my new textile General Notes and click OK. I'm going to use Open Sans for my font. Here's a neat trick. If you type the first couple of letters of the desired font, AutoCAD will drop you down to that location in the fonts list. I click Apply and Close. To change the textile for my existing mText elements, I select the two text objects and select General Notes from the textile list on the annotation panel. I click Escape to release my selections. I'm going to switch to Layout 1. Most title blocks use attributes, but in this case the title block is just using text objects. I'm going to go to the Application menu so I can display the drawing properties. I want you to see what properties are currently associated with this drawing. I select Drawing Utilities, Drawing Properties. I select the Summary tab. Notice I have filled in a title and the name of the drafter. I click OK. I go over to the title block. I click on the drawn text. I right-click and select Insert Field. I select Document under Field Category and highlight Author. I click OK. The field is inserted. I select the date text. I right-click and select Insert Field. I select Date and Time under Field Category and select my desired date format. I click OK. I select the file name text. I right-click and select Insert Field. I select Document under Field Category and select File Name. I enable File Name Only so that only the file name is displayed. I disable Display File Extension so the DWG file extension won't be displayed. I click OK. I select the mText tool from the Home tab on the ribbon. I place the rectangle for the mText inside the drawing title area in the title block. I select the Field tool from the ribbon. I select Document under Field Category and select Title. I click OK. I highlight the text and adjust the text height. I select the Center Justification from the Text Formatting bar. The mText adjusts to Center Justification. My last task is to perform a spell check. The Spell Check tool is located on the text panel of the Annotate tab. I select Spell Check. I can spell check the entire drawing, or I can select an area or object to spell check. I choose Selected Objects from the drop-down list. I then use the Pick option to allow me to select the drawing notes and a dimension located on the left side of the floor plan. I click Enter to complete my selection. I click Start on the check spelling dialog box. Like many designers, I use acronyms and technical terms in my notes. I don't want to be prompted every time certain acronyms are tagged, like hot water, so I select Add to Dictionary. I do the same with cold water and ventilator. I hit my first misspelled word. AutoCAD offers me a list of possible corrections. The one on top is the one I want, so it's highlighted, and I click the Change button to make the fix. I correct the misspelled word. I correct the next misspelled word. The next word that is caught is hand sink, but that word is correct, so I'm going to add it to the dictionary. I misspelled the word overall, which I had added to this dimension. The spell check tool caught the error, and I select the Change button to correct it. AutoCAD lets me know the spelling check is complete, so I click OK and close